Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Oracle CX Sales for lead routing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Oracle CX Sales for lead routing, first log into your Oracle CX Sales account. Once logged in, navigate to the setup area from the main dashboard. In the setup area, locate the lead management section. Click on lead routing to access the lead routing options. Here, you will see various routing methods available for your leads. Select the routing method that suits your business needs. If you opt for automatic routing, click on Automatic Lead Assignment Rules. Next, create a new rule by clicking on the Create button. Name your rule clearly to reflect its purpose. Define the criteria for lead assignment based on your sales strategy. You can base this on factors such as geography, product line, or salesperson availability. After setting your criteria, assign the leads to the appropriate sales representatives. Make sure to include a fallback option in case a lead doesn't meet specific criteria. Now, save the rule and ensure it is activated. If you prefer manual routing, navigate back to the lead routing page. Select Manual Lead Assignment. Here, you can assign leads directly to team members one at a time. Verify that all users who need access to leads have the necessary permissions. Once you have completed your settings, test the configuration by simulating lead submissions. Create a test lead and observe how the system routes it based on your rules. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Finally, monitor the lead routing process regularly for effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.